Welcome to Epoch Trades, where we trade the new age. Today we're going to be covering key levels on the monthly and weekly time frame for threshold. So, as always, our key level criteria, we look for swing highs and swing lows, multiple rejections, acted as support and resistance, drastic moves away, obvious to spot, and recently formed. So, let's go ahead and hop right in. Now the first key level we can plot is our monthly swing high here, where price hit and reversed drastically, which is obvious to spot here on the monthly chart. What is also obvious to spot is our monthly swing low here, where we see price came down, hit its lowest point before reversing drastically. Now, let's go ahead and hop to the weekly. So, here on the weekly, what do we see? We see a key level right here, where price opened up, and we see as price came back down, hit, and reversed. Now we also notice a key level right around here, and we can go ahead and draw in a zone. So it's obvious to spot here on the weekly chart, this is a key level as we see multiple reactions acting as support and resistance to the same key level. Now, we can also go ahead and plot a key level right here. Let's go ahead and draw in a zone. We notice price acting as support, and as price breaks through, we see it acting as resistance. Now we also see it acting as support over here. So, multiple reactions acting as support and resistance. Now, as there's not much price action on this chart, these are all of the key levels we can plot on the monthly and weekly time frames. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.